Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a simple yet effective natural elixir to help you manage those pesky papillomas. Using just a few common ingredients, you can create a powerful remedy at home. Before we jump into the recipe, let's talk about why these ingredients are so effective. Aloe vera juice is known for its soothing and healing properties, making it a great base for this elixir. Apple cider vinegar has natural acids that can help break down the tissue of the papilloma. Tea tree oil is a powerful antiseptic. Lemon juice brings in its antibacterial qualities, and honey adds its own soothing and moisturizing benefits. To make this elixir, gather the following: aloe vera juice 2 tablespoons for soothing and healing the skin. Apple cider vinegar 1 tablespoon, helps break down the tissue. Tea tree essential oil 3 drops, is antiseptic and helps cleansing the skin. Fresh lemon juice 1 teaspoon, is antibacterial and refreshes the skin. Honey 1 teaspoon, soothes and moisturizes the skin. Mix all of these ingredients together in a small bowl until they're well combined. The elixir should be smooth and slightly thick. Using a cotton swab or clean fingers, apply the elixir directly to the papillomas. Do this twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. Be consistent, and in 2 to 3 weeks you should start to see some improvement. Remember, everyone's skin is different, so results can vary. If you experience any irritation or have concerns, it's always best to consult a doctor. And that's it. A simple, natural remedy to help manage papillomas at home. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. Stay healthy and see you next time.